Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Perpetual here. If you're new, you are warmly welcome. And guys, thank you so much for joining me today as I cook up a storm. I was meal prepping and we were also going to have a few friends over. So I was making food over about 2 days for that. And what I like to do when I'm hosting is do as much of the prep work the day before or even a few days before if possible. Things like marinades I will make ahead of time and just freeze. Anyway, now I'm starting with just marinating some beef and steaming it because I'm going to be making some beef stew. One advantage to making a lot of food at the same time is less dishes. So something like my blender, I will just rinse out, or if I'm using it for the same kind of marinades, I won't even bother. So now I have added my beef stock to my blender and I'm going to blend it with some veggies to start the base of the stew. And one thing I like to do is clean as I go, or else I will get so overwhelmed as I cook. After the stew, I was also going to make some bean stew that we were having some on the same day, and then the rest we're going to freeze so that on a night or on a day that I am stuck, I know that I have a quick meal that I can just get out of the freezer and we have a good home cooked meal. And for me, whenever I make bean stew, I must have some lunch or dinner, but I am having some on the same day. Anyway, after that, I moved on to making a marinade. I'm going to be using this for chicken, and I posted the full reel on Instagram. And once that was done, I moved on to making a batch of cookies for the freezer. And for the cookie as well, I have a recipe on this channel, so you can just refer to it. It's just a few videos down, and I will also put a link in the description box. After the cookies are at this point, I left it in the fridge to chill a bit. And here I'm just making some caster sugar because my recipe for the next day called for it. And next up, I am just seasoning some chicken with the blend that I made earlier on. Again, having little things like this on hand, it's perfect for when you're in a crunch or when you're in a hurry. You can just use it to quickly season anything that you're doing. For this specific marinade, it works perfect with chicken and beef and also pork. So anyway, I remember saying earlier that we're hosting, so I'm seasoning this, putting it in the fridge so it has time to marinate. And I'm also just making some pepper sauce that I'm going to cook down again to use the next day. So with that, when I blend it up, I just fry it in a bit of oil, and once it cooks down, I store it in a glass container in the fridge, and it's ready to go the next day so that I don't spend so much time on the day of hosting making these little sauces. Now we move on to the fish prep. I get my fish from the Tema Fish and Harbor. It is fresh and it doesn't need much, but today I wanted to add a little bit of seasoning. So it was seasoning tablet, white pepper, sometimes some garlic powder. It just depends on how I feel on that day. But again, seasoning it ahead of time so that I do not have to worry about it. And then I am making a whole chicken. I seasoned this chicken initially as a full chicken, and then when it was time for me to cook it, I spatchcocked it, so I took out the backbone and flattened it so that it would cook faster. And then for dessert for our host, I am making Victoria sponge. So this is the next day. That caster sugar that I blended earlier. So caster sugar is just sugar, regular granulated sugar that you blend for a few seconds. Instead of buying it, you can just make it. You can also just buy it. But again, if I have regular sugar, I can just blend it. Don't blend it too much or you'll get icing sugar. Anyway, using the leftover butter from the wrapper just to wipe my pans so that the cake does not get stuck in there. Once the Victoria sponge base was done, I went ahead to bake it. And again, I have a recipe of Victoria sponge on this channel. Once the cake was in the oven, I got started on the fish stew. So I'm frying the fish, and I'm also going to be making jollof. So from the beef stew that I made earlier, I just split it and I'm using a portion of that. Got my rice in there. I washed my rice this time just because I don't know people's preferences, so to be on the safe side, I just wash it if I'm hosting. A lot of times if I'm just making it for the house, I don't wash it. But again, just a personal preference, but when I'm hosting, I will definitely wash it. Got that started and fried the fish in batches, and at this point my kitchen was smelling divine. It's weird. I like making food to host, but I don't actually enjoy the rest of the hosting part, in the sense that I don't like setting up to host. I love having people over. I love making the food. It's just the getting things ready to host is the only part that I don't like. But these are close friends. It didn't really matter how I set up. We were just there to talk and eat. So everything worked out perfectly. And what you're seeing me adding now is just a tomato base that I had made the day before. Again, doing as much as possible. So that went in, our cake came out of the oven. It was looking really good and it was smelling amazing. I could not wait to dive in. Anyway, now that I have spatchcocked the chicken, I needed to season the insides a little bit better. So I went ahead to do that. And then I am going to get that in the oven now that the cake is out. After checking on the jollof, I moved on to making my shrimp. I'm just going to be making a bit of shrimp sauce just as a side, and so did that frying in batches. And then now I'm frying my chicken. I'm going to just be making some spicy barbecue chicken as well. and our fish stew was looking really good. I love how simple fish stew is. And I had also made some egg stew with palm oil for one of my guests. And then I went on to make just some rice and spaghetti pasta rice vermicelli, however you call it. It's just a simple side to add when I just want an additional dish without really doing too much. At this point, we were almost done, and I just decided to make some quick couscous. So with that, I start with oil, some garlic, and some onions, and then I go in with the couscous. I do equal parts water to couscous, and it turns out perfectly. It's the right texture for me. You can use more or less, and you can even microwave it. But I like to cook it on the stovetop just to make sure that it is really cooked. We got this couscous when we were in Morocco, but I've seen couscous at Maxmart, Palace, and if you're outside Ghana, I'm pretty sure that most grocery stores will have couscous if you want to have some. You can also stir fry it into like a fried rice kind of thing. Anyway, back to my sauce. I'm just adding my cornstarch slurry and oyster sauce in there, and with the veggies, and then the shrimp goes in last. If you're serving, you want the shrimp to go in at the last minute so that it doesn't get too soggy. At this point, I had put it in before thinking about that, but it's not a big deal. It was still delicious. And next up, for that Victoria sponge, we need to make some whipped cream. So I had frozen my mixing bowl, and also the whipped cream itself was in the freezer just to really chill. And I set up the empty plates so that it's easier for me to figure out what's going where. And then made the cake, just layered it with the whipped cream and strawberries, and then I went on to just start setting up. The drinks are cold, but I still put them over ice just so that it would stay cold. And Nanikia helping out there, and I had set up plates for the rest of the dishes just so that it would go faster. Added some lemon and lime for the drinks, and that's Nana Kojo in the background as well. So spicy barbecue chicken, and making some kiliwili in the background. Made some spring rolls, had some shito with it, and it was delicious. I didn't make the spring rolls, I just bought it and fried it. But yeah, spicy barbecue chicken, lots of delicious foods, even better company, and it was amazing. I hope to see you again very soon. Take care. Bye.